Hey everybody, this is Shannon at Clean Freaks University, and I want to touch a little bit about having the perfect cleaning schedule for you and your company. Why? Because people love consistency. People love consistency so much that you need to have onboarding paperwork so it's actually crystal clear on what's expected from you and your crew and what's expected from them. And if you think about it, when they're actually going and they're going through DocuSign and they've initialed and signed everything, they're not shopping around, they're committing to you, which solidifies your bottom line. So it's really important, and it sets up clear boundaries so that the sheets are laid out, the clothes are picked up, the toys are put away, all of those extra everyday life things that tend to happen, especially at my house, are all taken care of so you can come in and clean and do what you're there to do, clean, not have to pick up and clean. It's just not fair because you're agreeing on a flat rate price, right? Also, having set business hours are really important. We also have set times. So we have a window between 7 and 9 p.m. for the AM, and then we have a window from 11 to 12 p.m. for the PM. And then occasionally I'll have someone who's a superstar and they can do 3 houses every day. So that third house usually starts at 2. And they can work as many hours as they want because they're superstars. So we have that. Having 2 phones is really important, and the reason for that is because you want to have a private phone for you, your family and friends, and then you have a phone for your clients. And the reason why is because sometimes something will have been forgotten and they'll text you all weekend long, making your life miserable, and you have just wasted what free time you have on a toilet. So you just want to make sure you have 2 phones. What else? I'm cheating. Reoccurring clients need to be on the schedule, commit on the schedule regularly. Say, for example, monthly clients have to be every 4 weeks. So if you have a month that has a 5-week month, you actually get to see them twice. And the reason why is it affects your bottom line and it makes your schedule run smoothly, and then you don't have a wonky person who shows up every 5 weeks and you're trying to figure out where to put them and it screws up your schedule. It just doesn't work. 3-week people, I do have a lot of requests for that. I don't take on 3-week clients. It screws up my schedule. You'll have a contractor or an employee who will initially want to take on 3-week client, but as soon as they get more biweekly clients, they're going to get 6 hours every 2 weeks, and they're going to get 3 hours once every 3 weeks. Biweekly clients are pretty low to maintain. They usually have had experience before with cleaning companies, and they're usually pretty painless. Weekly clients are nice. I usually put them Friday morning in the AM, so that way I'm fresh, or whoever is in there is fresh, and that they're getting it done. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My website is Clean Freaks University.